You gotta say it loud.
What?
You gotta say it loud.
I don't know what it went.
Tell him.
I don't know what.
Right there.
Oh man, we did again. We went 2 times now. I thought we had to do 1 time.
No. Pretty cool, huh?
If this was a roller coaster, it would flip around.
No, we can't flip around. You'll kill us. There's Vanity. Look down.
Hey,
See?
oh, you want to do what? Okay, we don't want to do it. We did way up here. Why didn't no one get off?
They're gonna let you go for a little bit. Up and down, up and down.